Hey bestie, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be upcycling 2 items from my closet and giving them a little bit more life and reimagination, so I'm really excited. We are going to have fun with some fabric paint and scissors, and we're going to go a little bit nuts because that's what we do when we get creative. I kind of just go crazy. So yeah, we're going to have a little girl chat while we make stuff, and we're going to have a lot of fun today. So let's get into the video. If you're new to Slay My Dreams Club, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate the support. I make DIY fashion and accessory videos every week, every Friday, so you can expect that from me. And yeah, please of course also like and comment on this video if you want to see more videos like this, more upcycling videos. I love these videos, but if you love these videos, I'd love to know. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, real quick, girl chat. So my channel so far has kind of just been all over the place. I haven't really had like a specific niche or plan as to what I've been doing. As you could say, she's been in her baby phase, you know, learning to stand and walk before we run. So yeah, just testing a whole bunch of things, working on a whole bunch of things, just kind of like seeing what's been working, what hasn't been working, and just having fun in the process. So I've had a really good time in these last 3 months on YouTube so far. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed to me so far. And I want you to know, like, not much is changing, just I'm finally giving myself a runway to create ideas and to be within this specific lane. So yeah, I'm really excited to announce, I think I've already kind of spoiled it in the beginning of this video, but we are now like a DIY fashion and accessories and decor channel. So I'm going to be having a lot of fun like in that kind of area. I mean, my videos have already been within the realm, but just kind of actually focusing in so you guys know what to expect every week, because it's kind of just been all over the place and I totally know that. So yeah, we're going to be working on that. And I also have really exciting news. For the past like week or so, I've been working on a brand new website, which has been my dream. Like, I've had a few websites in the past, but never like an actual business website where I've like had products and sold products and stuff and made stuff. So I hope you guys can support me. All the clothing that I use is gently used, thrifted clothing, and it's just me giving it a new life, because we really don't realize, like, when we donate, so many things end up in the landfill anyway. So I'm on a mission to like use my art to recreate some of these things, give them a new life, a new love. And so I hope you guys can support me. My website will be launching next week, March 20th, next Friday. So really excited on that. I'll also be putting out a video that day, so it's kind of all gonna go hand in hand, the video like website experience. So a lot of things that like I'll be making on my channel will also be up on my website for sale. So yeah, you guys can look your best and look unique and cutie. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say, and I'll get back into the video. Bye! Actually, I'm back. So in this video, I use these Espol rhinestones, the silver and kind of like champagne color. And this is how it turned out. Oh my gosh, I love how the shine just in the light looks beautiful. Do you guys like these? Let me know in the comments. Okay, now we're starting on the second one. So we're just gonna like cut below the pocket, give us a little bit of room to like fold it up at the bottom. After I cut the first one, I folded it over so that I can make sure that it was in the same length for the other one. This is the fit. Oh my god. It's actually so cute. What? Bye. This is the second look. What do you think? I love it. So cute. And this is the first one. So cute, but so simple and just vibes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. And also like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow along with my journey. I'll be making 2 more upcycling looks next week, next Friday. So watch out for that. But till then, I'll see you next time. Bye.